Another great feature on your My Mitsubishi Connect app is the ability to locate your Outlander if you are having trouble finding it in a crowded parking lot. This feature will work if you are within a mile of your vehicle. To access it, launch your My Mitsubishi Connect app. On the home screen, select the direction icon in the lower navigation bar. Enter your 4-digit security code. The app will access your vehicle's GPS and highlight its location on the map. If the map view is too wide, just use your thumb and index finger to zoom in until you can see exactly where your Outlander is. If you still have trouble finding it, you can press the horn button in the lower left of the screen, and the horn will sound. For more information, consult the FAQ section within the My Mitsubishi Connect app.